Imagine losing weight without going to gym. Are we on the edge of a weight loss revolution in India? Why are Indian doctors suddenly getting hundreds of calls a day? And what's behind the global race to dominate the obesity drug market? This isn't just a health story. This is a wake-up call for a country battling an obesity epidemic. Let's break it down. India's health scene just got shaken up. Eli Lilly has officially launched its blockbuster weight loss drug, Mounjaro, and it's sparking unprecedented demand. According to a Reuters survey, doctors and clinics across the country are seeing a massive spike in patient interest, some even handling hundreds of calls a day. So why all the hype? Because Mounjaro, originally developed for diabetes, is now being hailed as a powerful tool in the fight against obesity, a fight India urgently needs to win. Did you know India is on track to have the second largest population of overweight or obese people by 2050? From urban lifestyles to changing diets, the numbers are rising and rising fast. That makes Mounjaro's launch not just a business move, but a public health milestone. But here's the question. Can one drug really change the course of a nation's health? In the US, Mounjaro's monthly cost can top up to $1,000. But in India, it's launching at around $200 a month, a strategic pricing move aimed at wider access and massive adoption. This price cut has sparked hope, especially for middle-class families who have long struggled to afford obesity care. But before we get carried away, a reality check. Mounjaro isn't magic and it's not risk-free. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, and reduced appetite. In some cases, users have reported pancreatitis, gallbladder issues, and even thoughts of self-harm. That's why medical supervision is non-negotiable when starting these drugs. And guess who is watching closely? Novo Nordisk, the makers of Wegovy, another leading obesity drug, now racing to launch in India as well. The race is on. India's market is becoming the next battleground for global pharma giants. With rising demand, local generics are already in development, and the global weight loss drug market is projected to hit $175 billion by 2035. So the battle for India is not just about sales. It's about setting the standard for global health leadership. The pharma war is heating up and India is ground zero. If you found this video eye-opening, drop us a like, share it with someone who cares about public health, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-time insight on healthcare and beyond. This isn't just stats. This is your world. Stay tuned to One Stats for the news that matters.